should you interview multiple lenders? That is what we are going to discuss in today's video. Hello again, my name is Trisha Dirks of Dirks Realty Group, brokered by John L. Scott, coming to you with another quick tip. Into why it is so important that you be very selective when it comes to your lender. And did you know that you can also interview multiple lenders? There are thousands of lenders that are available and willing to take your business, right? But not all of them are good. Not all of them are perfectly lined up for your financial situation. So it's very important that you take in mind what your financial goals are and how you want to get there, and then you interview a lender that can assist in getting you to your goals. I recommend all of my buyers that you go out and look for someone that you feel comfortable with communicating with, someone that's actually going to walk you completely through the process from start to finish. You don't want to have a lender that call or you go online, you fill out an application, and then that lender goes bye-bye, you get your pre-approval and you don't know what the next steps are, right? You actually want someone that's going to guide you through the process. So there are 3 very important questions that you need to ask every lender, and we will get into those here shortly. But remember, not every lender is going to work for your situation. So you can't just go online to some of these e-lending sites and plug in your information, they produce a pre-approval letter, and you're good to go looking for a home. No, you want to actually sit down, discuss with your partner or by yourself, what are my financial goals? What am I trying to get to? And then align yourself with the right lender. And remember, I also say go out and shop lenders because some of them have different rates. But be very wary of those ones that just beat out everyone, okay? Those are some that, I mean, if the red lights are going up, the red flags are there, that's something to really dig a little bit deeper in. Let's go over the top 3 questions that you should ask lenders when trying to select the one that best fits you. Very important. What types of loans do you specialize in? And that could be anywhere from residential, commercial, it could be condos, FHA, or VA loans, but you want to know what they specialize in just in case they don't specialize in the loan that you're trying to secure. I've had times where I've had buyers that were looking to purchase condos and then come to find out that their lender does not specialize in condo financing, which kind of throws a curve into being able to get that property, right? So we had to scratch everything that we had did and start over in the process of her finding a lender that could get her qualified. And in today's market, with it moving so quickly, you may not have that opportunity to scratch everything and start over. So it's very important to ask that number 1 question. What do you specialize in? Have a full discussion about it. Ask them all of the questions in regards to various different programs that they offer and why they offer those or why they specialize in those things. Number 2, how does your loan process work? Very important. You want to know from start to finish if they can walk you through what their loan process is. If they can't, is that a person that's right for you? Probably not. A good lender is someone that can walk you through the entire process so that you can understand it, making sure that you are turning in the proper paperwork, it's being reviewed, and they're staying on top of your deadlines. So communication is very important when you talk about the process. You want to make sure that you have someone that is constantly communicating with you throughout the entire process. Number 3. The loan estimate. And what that is documentation that shows you what all are the fees that are going to be associated with me purchasing this property or securing this loan. You want to make sure that they give that information to you in detail. You can get it up front. They could also back you into your loan. So say you know that you're comfortable paying $2,000 a month, and you're currently paying that right now. A good lender should be able to back you into that number to show you exactly how much of a house that you can afford that will keep your payments to be around $2,000. So have those open communication with your lender. Make sure that they know and they're supporting your financial goal. Remember, they are working for you and it's not the other way around. And as always, I work with a lot of great lenders that are in the Portland market. And if you need a reference, feel free to drop me a line, reach out to me in any way possible. I'd love to assist.